Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It is day 3 of the 31 days of Halloween challenge, and I'm going to show you how to make a scrunchie in the theme Halloween. The length of your scrunchie can be up to 18 to 20 inches, 4 inches in width, with a 1/4 inch elastic up to 8 inches. And depending on your speed, you could finish a scrunchie within 10 to 15 minutes. To get started, fold your piece in half to create a little crease line in the center, and then pin your elastic on the folded crease on the wrong side. And then you're going to do the same thing on the other end. Place your piece under your foot and stitch back and forth 2 or 3 times to make it secured. Your seam allowance can be 1/4 of an inch, but no greater than 1/2 an inch. Next, we are going to put right sides together and start stitching 2 inches away from the upper part of the piece. Your seam allowance here can be 1/2 an inch or 3/8 of an inch. Definitely not 1/4. And then you want to stop 2 inches away from the bottom portion. Flip your fabric inside out and then pin your elastic ends together. After that, put pins on each end of your opening. And then sew 1/2 an inch. Next, you are going to tuck in a fold in your opening, and then you will pin the folds together. To finish the closure, you can either hand stitch it or you can machine stitch it. This is what a machine stitch looks like. You can try to do it real close to the closure, but I'm not a fan of it. I don't like when my thread is out in the open, but if you decide to close your opening by hand stitching, which would look a lot better, you would want to do a slip stitch from one side to the other side once, but to make it secure, you can do twice. And that's how you make a scrunchie. If you guys are interested in my scrunchies, they are available in my shop. The link is down below in the description box. I am currently obsessed on making mask and scrunchie sets, so please check those out as well. And if you liked this video on how I made these scrunchies, please give this video a nice like. And if you want to follow me and my other social media accounts, all the links are down below in the description box as well. And make sure you subscribe to my channel to see more content I will be doing for the month of October for the 31 days of Halloween challenge. And as always, guys, thank you so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it, and I will see you all in tomorrow's video. Take care. Bye.